Which diagram? Venn diagram. First Venn diagram we draw the universal set. First of all we draw the universal set. That is rectangle. This is denoted by mu or u. Mu or u. So A union B diagram na. First draw the two sets. A set, B set. Union means what na? All the numbers in only one set. Taking all elements in one set. So all elements, that's why we draw like this. Next second one, A intersection B. A intersection means what ma?
Writing the common
Only
common
elements. Intersection means we take only
common elements.
Only common place. This is the common place na? A set to B set to common place. So this one, A intersection B. Next third one, A minus B. A minus B. New A minus B. Minus means what ma? माइनस होता क्या करती हैं?
कॉमन नंबर
यहाँ पर कौन से लिखती हैं? हम फर्स्ट सेट एलिमेंट से लिखते हैं खाली फर्स्ट सेट एलिमेंट से मतलब कॉमन यहाँ तक मुद्दा को ये पे इसे टच होना है साहब ये के अंदर नहीं जाना दिस इज A minus B नेक्स्ट B minus A A minus B का तो खाली B में बचे से एलिमेंट्स हम कितनी ये B set को टच होना खाली that is A minus B. A union B, A intersection B, A minus B. And few formulas लिखेंगे A union B intersection C is equal to A union B ऐसा बनाना है सेट A union B intersection A union C. Next A intersection B union C. A intersection B union A intersection C. Next A minus B union C. A minus B minus है तो रिवर्स लिखना union and C क्या लिखना है intersection A minus C. Next A minus B intersection C is equal to A minus B intersection है क्या लिखना union A minus C. Next A delta B क्या
A delta B
A minus B union B minus A. Next A union B whole complement क्या बोल को पढ़ना उसे A union B
whole
A complement intersection B complement. Next A intersection B whole complement A complement union B complement. लिख लो 4 5 B is equal to 1 3 5 7. Find A union B with the help of Venn diagram. Already we did A union B problems, A intersection B problems, A minus B problems. But here asking using Venn diagram. First given. What are the given sets? A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. First draw the Venn diagram. Mu or U? Both are same. A, B. This is the common place mark. A set to B set common place this one. So here what are the common elements in these two sets? 3, 5. Right here in common place. In A set what are the remaining elements?
2 5
Right in A set. In B set what are the common elements? 1 7. A union B. Union means what ma?
writing
All elements. That means 1 2 3 4 5 7. This is A union B value. So here we used Venn diagram. Next A is equal to A B C. B is equal to B E F D. Find A intersection B using Venn diagram. Using
Venn diagram.
Venn diagram. So what is A value here given? A, B, C. What is B value given?
B, E, F, G.
So first of all, draw the
Venn diagram.
A, B. Next, here this is the common place. What are the common elements here?
B.
B. In A set, what are the remaining elements?
A, C.
A, C. In B set, what are the common elements?
B, F,
B,
F, G.
A, you intersection. A, B, E, F, D. Intersection means what, ma'am? What are the common elements here?
B.
Only
B.
B. Next, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Find A minus B using Venn diagram. Here given. What is A value, ma? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is B value, ma?
2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
So A minus B. A, B. What are the common elements here?
2,
2,
3.
In A set, what are the remaining elements?
1, 4.
1, 4. In B set, what are the common
5,
elements?
6, 7.
5,
6, 7.
Minus means what, ma? Common elements cut करको क्या लिखना?
First
First element. So what are the first elements? 1, no? 4. This is A minus B using the Venn diagram. A minus B problems. But here we are using Venn diagram. So A value, B value both are given. First you draw the one set, universal set, because universal set is largest set. In that draw two diagrams. A, B, two sets, draw two sets. A and B. This is a common place. In this common place you write common elements. So common element क्या है इसमें दो में?
3, 5.
A में क्या बचते हैं वो remaining?
2, 4.
B में क्या बचते हैं?
1, 5.
Union means सब elements मिला के लिखना. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Next A, B. Two sets are given. A intersection B using Venn diagram. First draw this one. Next A give names A, B. Next what are the common elements? B. What are A set remaining elements?
A,
C. B set remaining elements?
E, F,
G. Intersection means we write only
Common element.
What are the common here?
B.
इसमें same क्या है?
B.
Only B लिखनी. Next A, B दो दिया. क्या मालूम करना?
A minus B.
Minus means what?
Cancelling the same.
ये में बच्चों से लिखना था. तो ये में क्या बचा?
1,
1, 4. See, it's very important problem. Sometimes it will give a blank, off mark blank. This problem will give off mark blank or a 1 mark question or 2 mark question. List all the subsets of 2 questions are there here. What is the first question? X comma Y. Here he is asking all subsets. So number of subsets. There is one formula for number of subsets. 2 to the power of n. Formula. What is the formula?
2 to the power of n.
For what 2 to the power of n? Finding the number of subsets. 2 to the power of n means count the elements here. How many elements are there? 2. 2 square means 2 to the 4. How many subsets will come? 4 subsets. What are the 4 subsets? First you write pi. Pi is subset of every set because pi is empty set. Pi is
Empty set.
That's why pi is subset of every set. Next, what is the first element? X. Next, what is the second element? Y. Next, x comma y. Now you see 1, 2, 3, 4. How many subsets are there?
4.
So 4. Correct हुआ तो दो भी. Next B. What is the question?
5, 6, 7.
Number of subsets. What is the formula? 2 to the power of n. What is the formula? 2 to the power of n means how many elements are there? 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. Right. Blank पूछेगा क्या करना? खाली इतना लिख डालना. अब नहीं तो पूरा नाम लिखना उसको. क्या लिखना? फर्स्ट 5. pi is subset of every set. First क्या लिखना? First starting क्या लिखना? pi. Next first element क्या है? Next बाद में 7. कितने भी?
4.
हमारा खाना से कितने? अभी कितने बैलेंस है? 4. नेक्स्ट क्या करना? दो बच्चे बनेंगे. 5 6. नेक्स्ट 5 7. नेक्स्ट 6 7. नेक्स्ट 3 मिला के निकालेंगे. 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Get you? What is B set? QPR. What is the question? Check whether A equal to B or not. What is the question? A equal to
B or
not. In A set, what are the elements? In B set, what are the elements? First, what is the first element?
P.
Is there P here?
Yes, sir.
Next,
Q.
is there Q?
Yes, sir.
Next,
R.
is there R?
Yes, sir.
So first set P Q R. First set P Q R. Second set
QPR.
A is equal to B because two sets are having equal elements. Two sets are having same element. That's why A equal to B. Next example 8. What is example 8? A. What is A set?
1
1 2 3. Next N is a set of natural numbers. Natural numbers are starting from 1 2 3 so on. So two sets are equal or not?
Yes, sir.
A equal to A equal to next example 9. In A set, what are the elements? P, Q, R, S. Next in B set, what are the elements?
1 2 3 4.
Two sets are having same elements? No. That's why A is not equal to
B.
Next example 10. In example 10. A is a set of prime numbers smaller than 6. A is equal to set of prime numbers smaller than 6. Say, tell the numbers, prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5. Below 6.
Yes, sir.
So 2, 3, 5. Next, P is the set of prime factors of
30.
prime factors of
30.
30. First, write 30 factors. What are the 30 factors? 1 into 30. 1 into 30, 30. Next, 2 15 ja 30. Next, 3 10 ja 30. In 4 table, 30 is not there. Next, 5 6 ja 30. Next, 6 5 ja 30. Now stop. Same numbers are repeated now here. That's why. Next, P is equal to now is see here prime numbers. Which are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5. 2 is prime number, 3 is prime number, 5 is prime number, 6 is composite number, 10 is composite number, 15 also composite, 30 also composite. So what is answer? 2, 3, 5. In A set you? In B set you? So A equal to B or not equal to B?
Equal to B.
A equal to
B.
So equal set means two sets are having same elements. And if one element is also not same, means the two sets are not equal. Next, X is a letter. Assassination. First, what is the letter? First letter is what? A, comma. Second letter is what?
Yes.
Third letter is what?
Yes.
No need to write. Just write only once. Next, A. No need to write. Next,
Yes, sir.
next,
Yes, sir.
next, I. Next,
N.
next,
A.
A also no need to write. Next,
T.
T. I also I wrote.
O.
Next,
N also.
that is A set. समझ में आया तुम्हारे को? लेटर्स लिखते हो क्या करना? रिपीट करते हुए कितने बार लिखना? Once. No need to write many times. Next in B set, first letter is yes. Next,
T.
next,
A.
next,
I. No need to.
I. O.
N.
Yeah. Now you check A. Is there A?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Is there yes?
Yes, sir.
Next I is there.
Yes, sir.
Next N is there.
Yes, sir.
P is there.
Yes, sir.
O is there.
Yes, sir.
That's why A equal to
B.
A equal to
B.
Next 12th example you see. Pi means first consider the set. Pi means what ma? Empty. Next A set elements are.
1 2 3.
Next set elements are
1, 5.
example here I got two sets. A set, what is A set? A is equal to
1, 2, 3, so and so 100.
in B set 1, 2, 3 and what is the difference in first set and second set?
First set is still 100 only, sir.
First set last element, what is the last element?
100.
In second set, what is the last element?
It's going on.
So and so means in first set we can find the last element. We can find the
Last element.
Here we cannot find. We cannot find the
Last element.
last element. So that's why this set is called. This type of set is called finite set. What set? Finite set. This type of sets are called infinite sets. Hey, utko na yara. Finite sets. Infinite sets. So finite sets means we can find the last element. Infinite sets means we cannot find the last. That is the difference between finite set and infinite set. So here few examples are there. 13th question. What is the question? State which of the following sets are finite or infinite. ये सेट को देखो हमें क्या बोलना? Finite set or
Infinite.
finite set का देगा, infinite set का देगा. Finite set का तो last element मालूम कर सकना. Infinite set का तो कितने भी elements आते हैं, there is no end. Such sets are called infinite sets. For example, stars finite infinite.
Infinite.
हाँ ये हमारे.
Infinite.
फिर चावल के दाने.
Infinite.
फिर एक ट्यूशन के बच्चे.
Infinite.
हाँ वैसा. बरगान पल्ली के इतने.
Infinite.
हाँ? Finite इन सकती. बरगान क्या इन सकती. बालू को.
Infinite, sir.
हाँ infinite. इन सकने को finite हो. नहीं इन सकते तो उसे क्या बोलती?
Infinite.
So ये ऐसा दिया प्रॉब्लम हो. finite की infinite की बोलना है इसे. कैसा बोलना? What is the question? X says that X belongs to N. N means what? Natural numbers. Natural numbers are starting from 1. So first you substitute here 1. In X place you substitute 1. 1 means 1 minus 1 no? 0. 0 into any number? 0. So if we substitute 1, we get the answer 0. उत्तर तो 1 substitute करें तो क्या हुआ? 1 minus 1. सर इसमें नहीं substitute करें तो बोलेगा 1 minus 1 क्या होता माँ? 0 into any number? 0. Next 1 after क्या लेना? 2. इसमें छोड़ो 2 minus 1. 2 minus 2 क्या होता है? 0 into any number? 0. So 2 substitute करें तो 0 आया. Next क्या करना वो?
X in place में
3. 3 minus 1 how much? 2. 3 minus 2 how much? 3 minus 1 कितना है? 2. 3 minus 2 how much? 2 1 जा 0 आया क्या? 0 जाना आंसर दूसरे आया तो नहीं लेना. Like is equal to क्या दिया? What is given? X minus 1 into X minus 2 is equal to 0. If we substitute in X place one number, we got the answer 0. In X place we substitute 2, we got the answer 0. Next we substitute 3, we are getting the answer 2. So don't take that one. Next to 4. 4 minus 1 how much?
3.
4 minus 2 how much? 2. 3 2 जा
6.
आया 0 आया. So वैसा कौन सा आगे भी सोच रहे हो तुम्हें? So we are not getting any number. So we got the answer here only 1. So this is finite or infinite? Finite. Finite set. Next to second one. X says that X belongs to N and X square is equal to 4. So here also X says that X belongs to N. N means what ma? Natural number starting from 1. Substitute here 1. 1 square means how much? 1. But what is the answer here? 4. Don't write here. That is not correct answer. Next 2 square means 4. So we got the answer 4. That's why 2. Next
3 square.
3 square how much?
9, sir. No, sir.
Next
4.
4 square. 4 square means 16. So we got the only one answer here. What is the answer? 2. So this is finite or infinite? Finite set. Next समझ में आता है तो? Next third one. What is the third one? X says that X belongs to N and 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. X belongs to N. X says that X belongs to N. N means what ma? Natural numbers are starting from 1. So first we substitute here in X place 1. 2 1 ja 2 minus 2 0. So when we substitute 1 we got the answer 0. Next 1 after
2.
2 2 is
4.
4 minus 2.
2.
2.
No, sir.
Next 3. 2 3 is
6.
6 minus 2.
4.
So
0.
here also we got only
One.
one element. So this is finite or infinite?
Finite.
Finite set. Next fourth one. X such that x belongs to n and
X is a prime number.
x is a prime number. So prime numbers. So what is the first prime number? 2. Next prime number? 3. Next prime number? 5. Next prime number?
7.
Next prime number?
11.
Next prime number?
13.
So how many prime numbers are there? So many are there. So this is finite or infinite?
Infinite set.
Infinite set. Infinite
Set.
set. Next fifth one. X such that x belongs to n and x is odd. Odd means what now? Which numbers are numbers? 1,
3.
3,
5.
5,
7.
7, 9. How many are there odd numbers?
So many.
So we said this one.
Infinite.
Infinite set. Infinite. So finite set means limited numbers. So infinite set means there is no limit. Unlimited. So first one problem is x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. X belongs to n means only you have to substitute natural numbers only. So natural numbers are starting from 1 minus 1, 1 minus 2. 1 minus 1 means 0. 0 into minus 1, 0. Next 2 minus 1, 2 minus 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 0 is a
0.
So these two situations only we got the answer 0. Then 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So that's why this is
Finite.
next x belongs to n. X square is equal to
4.
That means 1 square.
1.
1 only. So 2 square.
4.
I got the answer 4. That's right 2. Next 3 square means 9. 4 square means 16. 5 square means 25. So there is no answer. Only 2 is the answer. That's why this is a answer. Next x belongs to n. 2x minus 2 is equal to
0.
Substitute 1 and 2 ones are
2.
minus 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to
0.
That's why 1. 2 2 is a
4.
4 minus 2 not 0. That's why only one answer. Finite set. Prime numbers means there are so many prime numbers. So that's why this is
Infinite set.
Here also odd numbers means there are so many odd numbers. That's why this is a
Infinite set.
set. Only there are two topics. First empty set, finite infinite set. Empty set means what, ma? Empty set means what?
No elements in the set.
If a set has no elements, such a set is called
Infinite.
empty. Khali hai na set. No elements, such sets are called empty set. So here exercise 2.4. First question. What is the first question? The set of lines passing through a point. First, put a point. From this point, how many lines you can draw? So many lines, infinite lines. Like this. So is this a empty set? No, because here so many lines are there. So this is not empty set. What is the answer?
Not empty.
Not empty set. Next, second one. Set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Odd numbers starting are from 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. So in these all numbers, is there any number divisible by 2?
No, sir.
2 टेबल से आता कहाँ है कौन सा?
No, sir.
इसलिए this is called
Empty set.
empty set. Next third one.
X is such
X says that x is a natural number. X less than 5 and
X
x greater than 5. What is this one meaning? We take any natural number. Take any one natural number. Suppose तो क्या लेना? Natural number लेना. एक ही natural number लेना. देखो यहाँ रखना. रखे तो क्या होना? 5 less than 5. 5 से क्या होना वो? छोटा होना. वो इस नंबर यहाँ रखे तो 7 से बड़ा होना. बस क्या तो नंबर है क्या? Suppose एक नंबर बोलो तुम्हें. मैं 3 बोल लेता हूँ. हाँ 3 रखता हूँ. 3 less than 5 होता नहीं होता है? ये 3 यहाँ रखना फिर. 3 greater than 7 होता? Is it possible?
No, sir.
It's not possible. So is there any number like that?
No, sir.
If you substitute a number that will be less than 5, same number will be more than 7. It's not possible. So that's why this is also empty set. Next is x hazard is a common point to any two parallel lines. Do you know about parallel lines?
Yes, sir.
These two lines are called
Parallel lines.
so they are having any common point. Can't the meaning of lines?
sir.
So that's why this is called
Empty set.
empty set. Next set of even prime numbers. numbers which are even numbers and also prime numbers. Is there any numbers? 2 is there. 2 is called which number? Even number and prime number. So this is empty set or not? Not empty set. So all are, first one is not empty set, second one empty set, third one also empty set, fourth one also empty set, fifth one not empty set. The set of months in a year, because January, February, March, April, May up to December. So we can find the last month in a year. So that's why this is a finite. Next second set, 1, 2, 3, so on, so 99, 100. Finite. The set of prime numbers smaller than 99. 99 smaller than 99. That means 2, 3, 5, so on, so last. What is the last prime number? 99. Not 99 is a composite number. 97. So we can find the last number. That's why this is called a finite set. Next, third Roman. The set of letters in English alphabet. Alphabets starting from A, B, ending. So finite or infinite? Right. The set of lines which are parallel to x-axis. This is x-axis. We can draw so many parallel lines like this. So finite or infinite? Infinite. Next, the set of numbers which are multiples of 5. Multiples of 5 means partable. 5 1s are 5 2s are 5 3s are 5 4s are 5 5s are 5 6s are 5 30s are 5 40s are so on, so infinite. The set of circles passing through the origin. Origin means this is called origin. How many? So many. That's why which of the following God says? Justify your answer. Which of the following God says? Okay, पूछ रहा हूँ मैं. What is the first question? The collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J means J से start होने के months कौन से हैं? January, June, July. So this is set or not? Set. This is a set. January, June, July. तो मैं collect कर सकती हूँ उसे. So collect तो क्या बोलती है हमें? Set. Collect नहीं कर सकते तो क्या बोलती? Not set. Next second one. The collection of 10 most talented writers of India. Writers means what? Writers लिखते सुनो. क्या collect कर सकते हैं मैं? कहते so many are there. एक जना talented को बस बोल सकते हैं. बल्ला के नहीं साथ से set not set. Even integers. Even numbers है तो 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. So set. Next second Roman. In second Roman, A set is equal to 0, 2, 4, 6. Next B set. B is equal to 3, 5, 7. Next C set is equal to P, Q, R. Here 6 sets are given. Here 3 sets are given. A, B, C. Now what is he asking? Belongs or does not belong? Belongs or does not. It's very easy. What is the first question? 0 dash A. 0. See 0. 0 is there in A set or not?
Yes, sir.
That's why 0 belongs to A. मतलब 0 बोलता तो A set में हाई बोल समझ में आया? Next second one. 3 dash C. 3. Is there 3 in this set? 3 है क्या इसमें? Belongs to does not belong to? Does not belong. Next third one. 4 dash B. 4 dash. Is there 4 in B set? That's why it does not belong. Next 8 dash A. 8 is there in A set?
No, sir.
That's why it does not belong. Next P dash C. P is there in C set? That's why belongs. Next last question. 7 dash B. 7 is there in D set? That's why belongs. If element is there means belongs. If element is not there means does not belong. So either belongs लिखना नहीं तो not belongs. मैं जरा लिखते हैं हाँ मैं बोल रहा हूँ टका आंसर. Here first question. 1 dash A. One belongs A. 3 dash B. Does not belong. 10 dash A. Does not belong. 5 dash B. Does not belong. 4 dash A. 6 dash B. So this is the second Roman. Next question. C is equal to x is that x is a 2-digit natural number.
The sum of its digits
Such that the sum of the digits is
8.
the sum of digits. This is important question. Yes, says that x is a 2-digit number. Actually, 2-digit numbers are starting from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So on the last number. But this is not answer. What he is asking? The sum of its digits is 8. That means here 2 digits means 2 numbers will be in every number. So what are the 2 numbers here? 1 no 0. Add the 2 numbers. 1 plus 0 1. But we need a 8. So this is not answer. 1 plus 1 2. So this is also not answer. 1 plus 2 3. 1 plus 3 4. 1 plus 4 5. 1 plus 5 6. 1 plus 6 7. 1 plus 7 8. So here we got the answer 17. So he is asking 8. The sum of its digits is 8. So 17. If you get the 17, next soon after that write 71. 7 plus 1 how much? 8. 7 plus 1 no? 8. Next to that after that write 226. Here increase one number. This one decrease this one. 2 plus 6 how much ma? 26 means 62. Next 35. 3 plus 5? Next? Next?
44.
This is the answer. So here you add the digits, you will get the answer. Next, third question.
D is
equal to x such that x is a prime number
which is the divisor of 60.
which divisor of 60. That means first you write the 60 factors. 60 factors. 160 is 60. Next 2. 230 is 60. Next 3. 320 is 60. Next 4. 15 is 60. 5. 12 is 60. Next 6. 10 is 60. 7. Will not get 7 table 60. 8 table also will not get 9 table 10. 10 6 are 16. Both are same. So stop the problem. Next, but he is asking only prime numbers. This in this all, what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 2, 3, 5. This is the answer. 2, 3, 5. He is asking only write the prime numbers. So this here these are divisors. That means these are factors. In that we have to write only prime numbers. Next, E is equal to
X such that
x such that x is an alphabet
in better.
Very easy this one. What is the first letter?
D.
Next
E.
Next
D.
Next
E.
You don't need to write double dash. B E T 6 9 12. In fifth Roman he gave in builder form. We wrote in roster form. But here roster form is given. We have to write it set builder form. It's very easy and very important also. First give the set name A. Any one letter A, B or X. What are 3, 6, 9, 12. So what are these numbers? 3 means 3 means 3 ones are, 6 means 3 twos are, 9 means 3 threes are, 12 means
3 fours are.
that means multiples of 3. Multiples of 3. A is equal to X is such that X is multiple of 3 up to 4. Less than or equal to 4. Or you write less than 5 also. Your choice. The last number is there means write this equal symbol. Otherwise less than 5. So if A is equal to X such that X is a multiple of 3 less than or equal to 4. So जो 3 table 4 तक 5 को समीकरण. समझ में? This is our first question. Next is second question. What is the second question, ma? 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Here, give the set B. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 is not there. So it's not a two table. So how to write this one? See here, 2 can be written as 2 to the power of 1. 2 power 1 means 2 only. Next 4 can be written as 2 square. 2 square means 2 to the 4. 8 can be written as 2 cube. 2 cube means 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 16 means 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 32 means 2 to the power of 5. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 2, 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So all are 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 5. So bases are same 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. What are the exponent numbers?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Which numbers?
Natural
Natural numbers. So B is equal to X such that X belongs to 2 to the power of n. 2 to the power of n. Where n is a natural number. Natural number less than or equal to 5. That means up to 5 तक हर बोल को. नहीं सर मैं 6 लिखते हूँ तो क्या लिखना है? Less than 6. ऐसा लिखे तो एक चीज, ऐसा लिखे तो एक चीज. क्या समझ में आता है बात? Less than or equal to 5. Next is third question. What is the third question? 5, 25, 125, 625. C is equal to 5, 25, 125, 625. Same, this like this only. 5 means 5 to the power of 1. 25 means 125 means 625 means 4. Here also C is equal X such that X belongs to 5 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4. Which number, sir?
Natural number.
Where n is a
Natural number.
n is a natural number less than or equal to 4. What the होता है तो? Last question. 1, 4, 9, 16,
25,
so on so
100.
Give X equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and so on so 100. This one can be written as 1 means 1 square. 1 1 is 1. 4 means 2 square. 2 2 is 4. 9 means 3 square. 3 3 is 9. 4 square. 4 4 is 5 square. So on so
10 square.
So 1 2 3 4 5 so on so 10. Which numbers? So X is equal X such that X belongs to n square. Exponents are same here. So all are 2 square is there, na? That's why n square. Where n is a where n is a natural number less than or equal to 10.